Scott Groves here with another mortgage mystery. What is a bank statement loan? Well, this can be a very confusing topic. The federal government, after the turmoil that we saw in 2008, 2009, came in and put some new regulations on the mortgage industry called qualified mortgages and unqualified mortgages. And basically, a qualified mortgage means that if the federal government is going to buy the loan, insure the loan, allow a bank to underwrite the loan, you have to prove, as the lender, you have to prove that the person you're lending the money to has the ability to repay the loan. This is super important because prior to 2009, there were loans called stated income loans, which basically meant if I had a high enough credit score and some money in the bank, I could tell the bank, hey, I work as a gardener and I make $10,000 a month. Obviously, we know the problems that led to. So when the government effectively came in and overhauled the mortgage industry after the 2007 and 2009 debacle, one of the things that they put into place was this ability to repay, which means for most loan programs, you have to show your tax returns and your pay stubs as proof that you're making enough money to repay the debt that you're taking out on the mortgage. However, for whatever reason, some people might not be able to prove their income via their tax returns. Maybe they have a very unique tax structure. Maybe they recently opened a business where they're taking a whole bunch of losses and deductions in the early part of the formation of the business. Maybe you get a majority of your income from out of the country or trust income or rental income, and it's hard for you to prove what your income is on your tax returns. Well, lenders have stepped up and said, hey, another way that we can prove you, the client's ability to repay the loan is by analyzing your bank statements and creating a cash flow statement. So lenders will frequently take, depending on the program, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months of bank statements, analyze how many deposits you have, what the cash flow is of your current financial situation, and underwrite the loan to get you into a house using that ability to repay formula with your bank statements. As you can imagine, anytime a bank is going outside of their traditional guidelines, aka looking at pay stubs, W-2s, and tax returns, there's going to be some additional risk. So because bank statements carry some additional risk, there's an additional premium on top of whatever the best interest rate is. So let's say, for example, rates are currently trending around 3% when you're watching this video at the end of 2021. If you're getting a bank statement loan, meaning the bank is kind of bending over backwards to help analyze your income in a more unique way, then they're going to add anywhere from 1% to 3% in a cost premium on top of your mortgage. So it may be a matter of getting a rate that's 4.5, 5.5, somewhere in there. Not a bad option if you can't qualify for the loan under the traditional manner of showing your pay stubs and tax returns, because frankly, it doesn't matter what the rate on a loan is that you can't actually get approved for. So a bank statement loan is a great way, especially for our self-employed borrowers, our property owners, our trust fund recipients, our individuals that receive money from out of the country. It's a really great way to get a loan at a decent interest rate, maybe not the best interest rate, but we can understand why banks are compensating for the risk there. So if you have any questions about a bank statement loan, we can service all 50 states in the United States. Our team is licensed in about 10 of them, and we have referral sources in the other 40. So if you have any questions about a purchase, a refinance, or a bank statement loan, hook up on our calendar link. We can get you onto our calendar, have a quick phone call, evaluate your situation, and see what type of loan is best for you. Do me a favor, if you watched this video and got any value out of it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, or get in touch with any mortgage questions via email or phone number below. Thanks so much.